Hello you guys, my name is Luciano. Today I'm gonna start showing you guys how I take out my wig, my system, how I take care of it, and let's start it. So to start removing my system, I use this product here. What I usually do, I don't start taking my system out from the front or for the sides. Sometimes you start from the front and when you finish, you have a little like bump in the back. So I always start from the back to the front because I can apply more liquid, more solution in the front so I can take easily. Okay, so let's start it. So you guys can see here, my system is start like melting the glue. So basically I have to remove this from here. So I apply the product and I come with my finger really carefully, right? So you guys can see here, I already have some hair that grow from the last time I apply my system. So I just keep doing. So I took out the system is here, and what I do is I apply water and I apply more this product and I let this here for around like 20 to 30 minutes just to all the glue comes out easily. So I have here some products that I usually use to make sure my head's gonna be completely clean. So after applying this product here in my whole head, I come with these cottons and I apply this all around my head in the areas that I'm sure I'm gonna have glue. When you touch in your head, you're gonna see like pieces of cotton all around your hair. That means that the places you see cotton, that means you still have to clean in some way. After this, I go with the shampoo. So I usually use this one here to make sure I'm gonna take out all the glue from my head, all the things that is still in my head. I finish taking shower using this. I go for the alcohol. I have this one here that comes in a sachet, but you can have like another 70% alcohol that you can apply with maybe with this. I apply this all around my head, so just to make sure I have a perfect clean. And then I apply this product that I showed you guys before. He prepares your head for the new system, where you're gonna apply your system and you let this dry for like 10-15 minutes. And then after cleaning and applying this, it's time to apply your system. Okay, hope you guys has enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have all the tips I gave you this time. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.